Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for an app on your S24. So make sure you go to the settings app and then scroll down until you find apps right here and tap it. Now here you have every single app that is installed in your phone, and I'm going to use this search button here to find one app that I want to configure its notifications. So I'm going to configure the notifications for Instagram, and then what I want to do is to tap this notifications option here, and then here I can either configure my notification or simply block them. And this app is not going to notify me anymore, but the other ones are going to continue to work normally. So that's how you turn off notifications for an app in your S24. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.